Another day and another market fires in Lagos State by Yoruba people against the Igbos. This is the fourth or fifth video I am making about Lagos fires. Market fires against Igbo people's shops in Lagos. Just last night, New Year Eve night, Yoruba people set Igbo people shop in Ikotu Market, Lagos, electronic shop. Fires, they set it ablaze. You know, this is what I've been talking about. The hatred Yoruba people have for Igbo people. I don't know where it's coming from. Nobody can again say that this is a coincidence. This is not a coincidence. Igbo people right now are in the villages and they know it, and they are using the opportunity to burn their shops before they come back, so that by the time they come back, they will start life all over again. This is wickedness. Someone who was there the other day, just last week, what did he do? Oh, bring down the building. No investigation.